Building unshakable self-confidence, a step-by-step guide. Self-confidence is that inner voice that whispers, or sometimes shouts, "You can do this." It's the belief in your abilities, your worth, and your capacity to navigate life's challenges. While it may seem like some people are just born confident, the truth is, self-confidence is a skill that can be developed and strengthened. This lesson will equip you with tools and strategies to build unshakable self-confidence and unlock your full potential. Lesson breakdown. Understanding self-confidence. We'll begin by defining self-confidence and differentiating it from arrogance or overinflated ego. We'll explore the benefits of self-confidence in various aspects of life, from relationships to career success. The power of positive self-talk. Let's flip the script. Discover the power of positive self-talk and how to reframe negative thoughts into empowering affirmations. Celebrating accomplishments, big and small. Often, we overlook our achievements. In this section, we'll develop the habit of acknowledging and celebrating both big and small wins, boosting your sense of accomplishment and self-belief. Stepping outside your comfort zone. Growth happens outside your comfort zone. Learn strategies to embrace challenges, see setbacks as learning opportunities, and build resilience through facing your fears. The importance of self-care. Building self-confidence requires taking care of yourself physically and mentally. We'll discuss healthy habits that contribute to overall well-being and a positive self-image. The power of gratitude. Gratitude fosters a sense of abundance and appreciation for what you already have. We'll explore gratitude practices to cultivate a more positive outlook and boost confidence. Finding your strengths. Everyone has unique talents and skills. Learn to identify your strengths and leverage them in different areas of your life. This helps build confidence and fuels motivation. Activities. Self-confidence. Inventory. Take a self-assessment quiz to understand your current level of self-confidence and identify areas for improvement. Inner critic tamer. Write down negative thoughts your inner critic throws at you. Then, reframe them into positive affirmations. Accomplishment. Log. Start a journal to track your accomplishments, big or small. Regularly revisiting this log will be a reminder of your capabilities. Challenge. Chaser. Identify a small challenge you've been avoiding. Develop a plan to face it. Celebrate your success afterward. Self-care plan. Create a personalized self-care plan that incorporates activities that nourish your mind, body, and spirit. Gratitude journal. Start a gratitude journal. Every day, list 3 things you're grateful for. Strength spotlight. Reflect on situations where you excelled. What strengths did you use? How can you leverage these strengths further? Remember, building self-confidence is a journey, not a destination. There will be setbacks and moments of doubt, but by consistently practicing the tools and strategies covered in this lesson, you'll cultivate unshakable self-confidence that empowers you to reach your full potential. Bonus tip: surround yourself with positive and supportive people who believe in you. Their encouragement can be a powerful boost to your self-confidence journey. If you're enjoying our videos, please consider subscribing to our channel. Your support means everything to us and helps us keep creating more content